Welcome back, guys. This is our new renovation project. We are here in Pattaya in Jomtien, about 5 minutes from the beach. My name is Peter, he's Timo and he's James. We are the Pattaya House Builder. If you want to build a new house or renovate your house, we are the right team to do it. But let's see now this project. Let's go inside.
Entering the house, you first meet the living area. We put in a nice sofa, a huge television with a nice pool view to the exterior. Next to it is the dining area, which before there was a room on top here. We took it out, put a nice chandelier, put huge windows in, and here we have a Lazy Susan dining table, which you can enjoy your dinner with your family or friends.
And here I am in the kitchen. Behind me is the guest toilet and the stair going up to the second floor. Here we have a kitchen which is U-shaped, and we have a nice peninsula here with these design lights and modern appliances. From here I have access to the bedroom and to the laundry room. Let's go to the bedroom, which has a beautiful swimming pool view and a nice modern decoration. Let's go out and Timo will show you the swimming pool area.
Coming out from the first floor bedroom, we are arriving at the most exclusive area of the house. Here to my right, it used to be a boring empty wall. We took out the whole thing and installed this fixed glass in an octagon shape, so the round dining table fits perfectly in there. Following here, we have the entrance of the swimming pool, two nice comfortable pool chairs and the jacuzzi area down there. Right here we have a very fancy feature. We have integrated this lounge into the floor where you can sit with your friends and enjoy the pool life. Right here it brings you into the pool bar, where you can either sit in the dry space or on the bar chairs in the swimming pool. Coming back up, we can use our bridge, which goes over the swimming pool right back into the spacious living space. After walking up our book-matched marble stair, we can see from here the chandelier, which is hanging in the middle of this big gallery. It just looks amazing. This way you can access 2 of the 5 bedrooms in the house. James is going to show you one of them now.
In the queen bedroom, you have a wonderful view of the swimming pool, matching design of upholstery and built-in furniture and wardrobe. In the queen bedroom bathroom, you have a double vanity, which we made our own design, a double shower with matching towels all over.
Here on the other side of the house, we have a smaller bedroom right here, facing to the front side of the house. And here we are getting into the master bedroom. We have a long furniture, which is a wardrobe and desk combination. On my right, we have the master bathroom with double vanity and double shower. And right here, we are getting into the main section of the room. Arriving at the jacuzzi, which is connected to the TV wall. And right here, the bed with upholstered background, special as always. This room is quite special because we have glass on both sides, which gives a panoramic view down to the swimming pool and to the landscape on my left.
Thank you guys for watching our video. This house turned out very well. See you in the next video. Sawadee Krap.